Hi there! Today I am sharing with you a plum cake recipe. It's deliciously moist, summery treat made with fresh and juicy plums. It's simple but impressive and easy to make. So let's get started! Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare 12 ounces of plums. Wash, dry and slice them. Set them aside. Mix together the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring and pinch of salt. In a mixing bowl, combine 3 medium eggs and 2/5 cups of white granulated sugar. Beat them together on high speed until the sugar dissolves. Then gently add 1/3 cup of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer and 1/3 cup of whole milk and mix on low speed for about 1 minute. Gradually add the flour mixture and continue mixing on low for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well combined. I use a 9-inch cake pan lined with parchment paper. Pour the butter into the prepared cake pan. Arrange the sliced plums on top and sprinkle with a little sugar. Bake in preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the thick inside into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wall rack to cool completely. And that's it! Our plum cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.